Hi everyone. So I'm back again with my another talk. Uh, uh, I'm just waiting some of you join. So I hope everyone is keeping safe, healthy, and happy. And last time I covered about the tough time never lasts, but tough people do. And today I will be covering the part two of that session, which is life became at the edge of your comfort zone. You have to come out from your comfort zone. That is the time when actually life will hit you and you have to work for yourself. सो वी ऑलवेज थिंक कि जब कुछ अच्छा हो जाएगा ना विल स्टार्ट वॉकिंग देन मेरे साथ मेरी जॉब अच्छी नहीं है, मेरे घर पे अभी सिचुएशन इज नॉट रियली गुड, आई कैन डू दिस, आई कैन डू दैट, एंड व्हेन एवरीथिंग विल गोना फाइन देन आई विल वर्क इट ऑन एंड मैं तब काम कर लूंगी एंड ऑल दो स्टफ. बट द क्वेश्चन इज दैट रियली सॉल्यूशन कि मेरे घर पे जब चीजें ठीक हो जाएगी या मेरी जॉब अच्छी हो जाएगी या सारी सिचुएशन ठीक हो जाएगी, then I'll do it. So my dear friends and everyone, let me tell you, situation will not gonna be perfect all the time. We have to make the situation perfect and work for us. So if I'll give you the example of free radicals, हमारी बॉडी में फ्री रेडिकल्स जनरेट होते हैं. इफ आई लाइक everyone has a cells molecules, we all know of all those structure, and उसमें से जब एक इलेक्ट्रॉन चला जाता है तो एक्चुअली फ्री रेडिकल जनरेट होता है which cause all the autoimmune disease, all the all the stuff. But इट्स द सेम वे अगर हमारी लाइफ में से कंफर्ट जोन चला जाता है, that's the very great time we have to actually add the antioxidants and we have to start working towards it. So today my talk will be similar to that, like life begin at the edge of when out of your comfort zone. So you have to come out from your comfort zone. If I'll talk about myself, so when I came here in my city, I really don't have so much of clothes. I just came with 2 or 3 pairs of my clothes. And I thought like, okay, 30 ko to kam khatam ho jayega. I'll go back and the thing's gonna be fine. And it's like 2 months till the time I don't have my own clothes. And if I'll talk about कि यार मेरे पास कपड़े ही नहीं है, I can't go live, I can't make the videos, I can't do it. But I make it out no matter the clothes I'm wearing, no matter the things gonna stop me, but I have to work it on whether whether the situation will gonna be perfect or not, but I have to create a perfect situation for myself. So this is me, Yashika, and so today if I'll talk about water. लोग क्या होता है जनरली कि हम लोग बहुत बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं. अगर हमारी टंकी में से लाइक वाटर प्यूरिफायर में से इट्स ऑल अबाउट वो पानी फिल्टर करके इट्स कम आउट unfiltered water, and it's just wasted. We really don't care about it. And today what happened, if I give you a short example, हमारी टंकी पे पानी खत्म हो गया and we are just wondering कि to go back and have a water, and we really don't have water and there is no electricity at our home or at our place so we can get a water. And we actually started filling the bucket and making a good use of water instead of wasting our water. So we always start working when actually the situation will come. Like if I talk about the coronavirus, we all know like hygiene is the one priority we should follow. The food what we eat and the people we are surrounded by, we should be concerned about all those things from the starting. But just because of the coronavirus hit and then we realized this is the main fact, we should work the on our hygiene thing, the air we breathe in. So we have to have a good air, we have to have our hand sanitized, we actually put on the mask and all those stuff come into the picture only because of the coronavirus. But we all know since the childhood that this is the really thing we should actually focus on daily basis, not just when the things crisis hit to you. So if I'll talk about, I don't uh, a bit of habit will take a bit of time, it will disturb you for quite a long time. Like जब हम जिमिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं तो हम लोगों को बहुत प्रेशर होता है हमारी फुल बॉडी बहुत पेन करती है, सारे मसल्स पेन होते हैं, बट हमारा इंस्ट्रक्टर एक ही चीज बोलता है, जब एक्चुअली काउंट स्टार्ट होता है, when you actually get the pain, then only your workout has started. So हम तब उस चीज पे वर्क एक्चुअली कर रही है, हमारी बॉडी उस टाइम पे काम करना शुरू कर रही है. So you don't have to stop that time, you have to actually start from that initial point when you started that pain. So basically it's all about कि हम comfort zone से बाहर कैसे आएंगी, and how we have to actually come across and become a proactive person in our own self. So last time also I've covered about the book, which is like 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. And the first chapter is about the proactive and begin the end in the mind. Like if I'll talk about, I know what I wanted to achieve in my life. So if that end in the mind is very much clear, then I will be able to actually work on all those stuff. I'll make a chart, I'll make a proper roadmap, proper goal, and all those stuff. But all the habits are really good, but even if one day break, one day inconsistency will break all my habits, and I will not be able to work on that momentum which I used to work in the past. So the consistency, persistency is really very important to make your habit into your goals, into your dreams and desire, and then you can come out from your comfort zone. So if I'll just give you a very short story. So basically there are so many people in that crowd, and that is related to friends, how we can actually see the association we are into. So that person is very much into यार मेरे से नहीं होगा, my situation is not really good and I can't work right now, but in the past, in the future go, if all the situation will come true, then only I'll start working on all those stuff. And what happened, all those people are actually working, 5 and 10 people, and that only person left all those things because he said then when the situation will be good, then only I'll work. So what happened is actually when he after 5 or 10 years, when he met those 15 people, or the group of bunch of people, he came to know they are like millionaire or billionaire, and he was like still waiting for the perfect situation to come. Like हम लोग बहुत सारी चीजें खाते हैं, and we actually know those things are not really good for our health. Once and twice it's okay, but daily basis if you eat all those stuff, it's not really good for our health. Like it will damage our digestive system, it will create so many things. But we really focus on कि यार ठीक है ना, आज लाइफ एंजॉय करनी है, लेट इट बी, हम आज इन लाइफ एंजॉय कर लेते हैं, कल का क्या पता. बट जब वो कल आएगा ना, देन यू विल रियलाइज अ बिग हिट, यार मैं काश उस टाइम कर लेता तो आज ये सिचुएशन नहीं आती. सो दैट इज व्हाट थिंग व्हाट आई ऑब्जर्व इन माय लाइफ. मैं भी बहुत एक्सक्यूजेस देती थी कि मेरी जब परफेक्ट जॉब लग जाएगी, या फिर मेरी घर पे सारी सिचुएशन ठीक हो जाएगी, देन आई विल स्टार्ट वर्किंग. बट then I realized कि perfect situation कभी भी नहीं होती है. I have to create the perfect situation from myself. We have to lead from the front for our own life. So that is my message to all of you. I'm really sure whosoever is watching my video, last time I gave the exercise of just go back, evaluate all the tough time you had, and just you will have a beautiful smile on your face. And I got so many feedback from my friends, and they told me they actually did that exercise and they felt so real good about it. And I'm really impressed that I'm able to change the people perspective. I'm able to influence some of you, and I'm able to actually give the power that you can actually do what you want in your life. The situation will not come. So today also I'll give you a very short exercise. Just try it once or twice. जो वो 5 seconds होते हैं ना, जिसमें हम लोग बोलते हैं like today only I was actually used to wake up at 5, and I just started cycling from a week ago. And what happened is today I just wake up and I was like कि यार नहीं जाना, just let me just sleep for 5-10 minutes. And suddenly my my alarm rang and I was like कि नहीं यार आज अभी सो गई ना तो फिर सो गई, फिर मेरी हैबिट टूट जाएगी and I have to do it. So मैं नहीं सोई and then I went downstairs and I did it. So that 5 seconds of जो ना होता है, अगर हम उस 5 seconds को cover up कर लेना, आई एम रियली श्योर हमारी वो हैबिट और जो चीज हम अचीव करना चाहते हैं, वट एवर वी वॉन्टेड टू गो फॉर, हम उस चीज को उस 5 मिनट ऑफ द टाइम में अचीव कर सकते हैं, 5 सेकेंड ऑफ द टाइम में, सॉरी. सो जब भी आप सोच रहे हो ना कि नहीं अब नहीं करना है, so वो जस्ट वो 5 seconds हटा दो और जस्ट डू इट. लाइक आई एम अ वेरी मच आइसक्रीम लवर. जब मेरे सामने आइसक्रीम आती है मैं नहीं कंट्रोल कर पाती हूँ. एंड व्हेन आई वाज ऑन द वेट लॉस प्रोग्राम और जब मैं अपने माइग्रेन के ट्रीटमेंट में थी, एंड विच इज नॉट अलाउड टू अलाउ मी कि मैं वो सब खाऊं. सो आई एक्चुअली व्हाट आई डिड इज वो 5 सेकेंड जो मेरे सामने थे ना कि खाना है या नहीं खाना है, खाना है या नहीं खाना है, चलना खा ले, आज कौन देख रहा है. बट आपको हमेशा, it's not about the people you watching you, it's always about you. आप जो बंद कमरे में कर रहे हो, आप जो अपने अकेले टाइम में कर रहे हो, that is the real you. You don't have to pretend everyone who's the person you are, but you have to pretend yourself the person you are. So inside the closed room, what you are doing, like if I'll talk about books, so I used to read a lot of books, and suddenly one of my colleague asked me, she said यशिका तो सिर्फ फोटो पिक्चर पेस्ट करती है, तो सच्ची में उस बुक्स को रीड करती है. एंड शी रियली आस्क्ड मी दैट क्वेश्चन एंड आई वाज लाइक यू कैन आस्क मी anything about that book, I'll give you the summary of whatever the chapter. She was like no, I really wanted to know inside that room, do you really read books or you just pretend that you read books. So I really impressed that she actually asked me a question and give me a question mark. Like people will always follow you what you do, inside your room. So you have to actually follow those stuff. And so that was the thing which came on my mind that time कि नहीं, आप जो अकेले में करते हो, that was the person you are. So just do that exercise for 5 or 10 seconds. जब भी आपको वो ना आए ना कि नहीं 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 यार बाद में कर लेंगे, that बाद में फिर कभी भी नहीं आता है, believe me that. You have to actually work on that time only, क्योंकि do it now. जैसे वो all is well बोलते हैं ना 3 Idiots में, तो आपको क्या बोलना है, do it now, do it now, do it now. तो वो जैसे मैं 5 बजे उठती हूँ तो मैं 5 बजे हमेशा अपने आप को यही बोलती हूँ, डू इट नाउ, डू इट नाउ, डू इट नाउ. एंड आई नो कि वो 21 days के बाद जब मेरी हैबिट बन जाएगी ना, आई डोंट हैव टू डू इट. It's just that I have to be very consistent and persistent about the same habit and just go with the flow and just try it. जब वो ना आए ना कि नहीं यार अभी 5 मिनट बाद कर लेंगे, अभी राइट टाइम नहीं है, उसी टाइम पे आपको बोलना है for at least 5 or 10 seconds, do it now, do it now, do it now. And I'm sure you'll get so many good results in whatever you wanted to achieve. And do share your comments. Do let me know, like the past time you have shared so many good comments, and you have and so many people have done that exercise. Do let me know if you have done exercise what I did you today, what I give you today. So and share your experience, your learnings, and if you have anything you wanted to discuss with me, feel free to give me a call. Or thank you so much for always motivating me to come up with this lovely videos. I really enjoying this time. And thank you so much, I feel blessed. And if you like it, just to share it. And just keep smiling always. Stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you so much.